Hey, welcome back, everybody. Season 3 of the Productive Not Busy podcast. We're almost to 200 episodes. I want to thank each and every one of you. 51 countries, 39,000 lovely subscribers. And today we are going to talk about 3 reasons why you can get into productivity mode. Recharge your energy and kickstart your productivity today. Monday morning. Welcome. So I just got off a Zoom call with a client that was asking me about SEO. SEO, if you don't know what that is search engine optimization. And it's a crucial skill for anyone who wants their information to blow up on the internet or be even searchable on the internet. I don't care if you're a blogger, marketer, small business owner. Mastering SEO can help you increase your online visibility. It'll help you attract more traffic to your website and ultimately achieve your online goals. So what exactly is SEO? Okay. Well, I'll start here. In a nutshell, it refers to the process of basically optimizing your website, its content, and everything else to rank higher in search engine results pages. That's what you see is what are called SERPs, SERPs. So it searches your website for relevant keywords and phrases. So when someone types a query or a question into a search engine like Google or Bing, the search engine algorithm goes out and scans billions of pages to find the most relevant information about the result of that question. So by optimizing your website and content for relevant keywords and phrases, you can increase your chances of ranking higher. And in turn, that's going to attract more traffic to your website. So there are many different factors that go into this SEO, though, including like one-page or on-page optimization, such as like optimizing your meta tags, headers, content keywords. If you don't know what those are, look them up. This is a really important step. I don't care if you're trying to start an Instagram page, Facebook page, a blog, a website, anything, even my podcast. I've got to work really hard on this. So, you want to make sure that the technical optimization, such as ensuring that your site is mobile friendly and loads fast. SEO is constantly evolving. And with search engine algorithms changing regularly and the new trends, the best practices emerging all the time, this means that mastering SEO is an ongoing process that requires continuous adaptation. Okay, so why is SEO important? Well, the answer lies in the way people use search engines to find information and make buying decisions. Okay, I don't know if you know this, but 90% of online experiences begin with a search engine. And the majority of people click on the top few results that appear when they hit the go button. This means that if your website is not ranking high enough in the search engine, you are missing out on a huge potential audience. So mastering SEO is therefore I'd say it's one of the top 1 or 2 things that you need to be really good at if you're starting a business and going to have an online existence. For anyone that wants to succeed online, you have to know this. By optimizing your website and content for relevant keywords and phrases, you can attract more organic traffic to your site. This increases your online visibility and ultimately achieves your online goals, right? Because remember, money follows problem solve. So if you can solve a problem for people and get that information out there, the more people you have, the more money you make. People have the money. You can attract organic traffic to your site, increase your online visibility. Whether you're a blogger, marketer, small business owner, big business owner, investing time and resources into learning and mastering the SEO is one of the smartest decisions you can make for your online success. So what I say is, what are you waiting for? Find an online course, go to the colleges, something. This is super important because I'm telling you, if you want to know why you should learn about this, go check out how expensive it is to have an expert do this for you. And if you do this, you're going to see your information blow up. Hope you guys have a great day. Be safe. Take care. Sell a bunch. Find somebody and say something nice to them. Have a great one.
You've been listening to the Productive Not Busy podcast. Please hit the subscribe and notification of new episodes button and visit us on social media like Twitter, Instagram, or TikTok for bonus content.